guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, please do subscribe if you wanted to. And so today's video is about how to hide the subscribers count. Majority of the people wanted to hide their subscriber count, but maybe it is because they are having less subscribers and all. So let's get started. So just go to your Chrome and open your YouTube through that. Click on continue to YouTube Studio, and then you can find these three dots, right? Click on that. Then you can find the desktop site option. Just give it a tick mark there. After that, you can see the desktop version, and down there you can find the settings option. Click on that. You'll get the advanced settings option. If you just click on that, then he will ask to hide or not to hide your subscribers count. So there you have to unmark or untick the display my subscribers count. That's all, guys. If you liked it, please do subscribe. Please follow me for more updates. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.